Okay, so let's again talk about movement along the curve and shifting the curve. So movement along the curve, along the supply curve, occurs when a change in price happens. Okay, and in the slides I'm more detailed, but you don't necessarily need to be detailed. If we're just talking about a change in price, that's a movement along the curve. That's going to change your total quantity supplied as well, okay? So again, if a change in price occurs, that's when we move along the curve, okay? So then let's take a look then at a curve in this scenario. It says Microsoft sees a chance to increase the price of the Xbox console. So the good news about economics is you don't have to have a specific starting point, but we're going to start here, okay? And you can start anywhere as long as you have some, there's one above it or below it. So that way, if you have to move up or down, you have a place to go, okay? We don't want to start up here because we really don't have a place to go, okay? But if you need to go down, that's fine. However, let's start just right in the middle. That's the easiest place to start. So this is our P1 and our Q1, okay? So just so we can see it a little bit better, this is our original point right here, okay? Now, it says that we are going to increase the price. We're going to increase the price, okay? So P2, since we're increasing the price, is going to go above P1. And then that means that this is our new point right here on the curve, and then right here. Okay, so that must be Q2, okay? Because we've increased our price, and we've now increased the quantity supplied, okay? So why might a company decide to increase the price? Well, they might see an opportunity to make more money. It's very straightforward. If your price is higher and you're producing more, you're going to make more money. So you make more money at this point than you do at this point. Okay? So this is, if you look at it in terms of where you moved up the curve. Okay? Up the curve. Let's take a look at the next one. Apple decides to decrease the Apple decides to decrease the price of the newest iPhone produced. So what is the new quantity supplied? What happened to the quantity supplied? So again, I like to start in the middle. Here's my P1 and here's my Q1. Okay? Here's my P1 and my Q1. I know that I need to decrease the price. Okay? So that means since on the last one, we had P1, or P2 was above P1. If I'm going to decrease it, that must mean that P2 goes below P1. Okay, so if I draw my line over, here's my new point. I go down, here's my Q2. So you started at P1 and Q1, and because we decreased the price, we decreased that price, okay? You're now going to produce at P2 and Q2. Okay? All right.